Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to delete plugins in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where we can find all the instruments we can play, if we can get started with opening up the audio recorder and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to delete plugins that we do not want to use and have in our GarageBand application. So the first thing I'm going to do is go right here and open up the audio recorder. It's going to open up the same menu if you open up any of the instruments, so it doesn't matter. It's going to open up the recording menu right here where we can now access our recording sections. We can get started mixing our tracks and so on. So guys, go ahead right here into the upper left corner, clicking the edit menu. It's going to open up the mixing menu right here where you can see all our tracks and all the options we can use on them. And to be able to find our plugins we do not want to use, go ahead and click on the sliders option right here. Like the sliders option is going to open up the track settings right here where you can see all the options we can access. And if we scroll down, we can find the plugins and equalizer option. So here we have our plugins and equalizer, which if you open up guys, this is now going to enable us to access all of our plugins and equalizers that we have. So what you want to do if you open up plugins and equalizers, as you can see, you can click the edit menu and then you can go and select what you want to add and what you want to remove. So you can go ahead and click the plus button. That's going to enable you what you want to add of the effects into your equalizer. After you're done, just go ahead and click on done, and then you can activate them or deactivate them by clicking the on and off button. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.